Maureen. Namesake yangu kwa hapa nakwambia, you know, I was feeling story yako. Jinsi ambavyo nitaanza kuimba, alafu ona artist ameletwa tu. Collabo ina come.
For sure, lazima.
Okay. Hii ni Radio Jambo, karibu sana kwenye kipindi kama ndo Nasha Radio sasa hivi nasema asante sana. Kipindi hiki niko na Maureen. Maureen ni nani? Maureen alikuwa
Nilikuwa.
Okay.
Nipo, but nilikuwa.
Okay. Upo lakini ulikuwa. Kulikuwa na kikundi cha Elani. It was you,
Brian and Wambui.
Iliendaje Elani?
Tupo. You know, Elani,
yeah,
it's a group of people tunapendana sana. So, but life comes in seasons.
Okay.
And right now, there's no music tuna release pamoja sai.
Why?
But Brian is living abroad for now. And everyone just has different things that they're doing.
Okay.
So nilisema tu, if it is my time, it is my time. If it's my season, it's my season.
Okay.
Ndio maana sasa nimekuja huko.
Break after how long?
It's been 4 years now without releasing
So kipindi ulikuwa unafanya nini?
I'm a lawyer.
Because unajua watu wanakujua kama mwanamuziki. Okay.
I was in a movie. Okay. Maureen, my namesake, I was in a movie. I think it was just a time of experiencing yourself, especially during COVID. You know, COVID, it can really make you think sana about how your life is, in the choices that you're making. So it made us just enter different spaces, nikaingia different types of work, some influencing online, but then also I really went back into law.
Okay.
Because
do you
I'm
practice?
I have been practicing for a bit now.
Oh, okay.
But I think sometimes, you know, when that calling comes, ya kurudi huko kwa muziki, it just called me. So I'm here now.
Okay. Which recording label?
No, I'm not under a label.
Oh, wow.
Yes, I'm releasing independently.
Okay, pole. So
pole
ni single ama unajua kuna wasanii wengi anatoa song ina hit, some back, and then you go again. So it's not very good kwa mafans wako.
Yes,
emotionally mnatusumbua.
Sana.
Tunakupenda and then whoop, unapotea. So
watu wengi sana kwa mtandao walikuwa wanauliza, is this one song ama what are you doing?
Exactly.
So I can assure everybody I am here to stay for sure.
Okay.
And we are going one after the other.
Okay. Kila mwanamke utakaga kujua siri ya weight loss. What was your weight loss? I know you've lost so much weight.
Yes.
So siri ni nini? Usiseme ni Yesu na maji ya cucumber.
Yesu na maji
ya cucumber. Nikupatie yangu.
Please, ulisema kuna hibiscus uko ndani.
Hibiscus, cloves, everything.
Yeah. Actually, it was very, very difficult. I can't pretend it was easy. It's very, very difficult.
Ulifanya nini?
I've talked about it online.
Ama balloon.
Nilifanya
kwa msikilizaji anayekusikiliza kwa mara kwanza, maybe akufuatilia kwa mitandao ya kijamii, so it's the first time listening to you. So what's your story? So
when I started music, always I've been the plus size girl. You know, the plus size one in Elani, the plus size etc. Even now, to be honest, it's not that I intend to be very, 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 very skinny, but I think ilikuwa inanisumbua sana. You know, that just personal feeling that you don't feel like yourself. You're not happy when you look in the mirror. You're not comfortable. Nikasema tu,
ulikuwa body shamed?
Sana. Of course, you know, also watu mtandaoni watasema whatever they want. So it wasn't even that alone. Just even that feeling. Ukiperform, you're not your best. You're not healthy. You know. So I think one day nikamua tu as in, enough is enough. Enough is enough.
Okay.
So I'm currently being trained very hard, 3 to 4 times a week in the gym. And you know, they say diet and exercise na nikaa hatuelewi. And usually people say, but I eat so well and I move my body, but that discipline actually is very, very difficult.
As well.
It's very difficult. So I just thank God that it's working for me. Nitaendelea tu.
So ni gym?
Gym and diet.
Okay.
Yeah, sana.
Tupatie mili yako ya siku. Kuna mtu anakusikiliza na anataka ku lose weight, but it's not working.
But you know, also, so for me, my nutrition plan was made directly for me. You know, by the people, by like, there's a nutritionist I work with. She works in a place called Nairobi Bariatric. She helps me so much.
Ukuza
balloon nilimeza nishasema. Nilikuwa nishasema.
So balloon ndio imekusaidia ku lose weight?
It didn't work for me the first time.
Okay.
Then that's when I realized sometimes some things, you know, the problem with something like that is you can do it, but sometimes the weight comes back, so ikarudi
×2.
So now wakati nilirudi nilisema acha tu nifanye hiki kitu kwa gym basi kwa sababu haiendi. you know. So nikarudi sasa.
So kuna wakati nakataa?
Okay. Ikaenda ikarudi. And even if anyone knows me for many years, they've seen me up down. I nilisema enough is enough. Surely I cannot do this forever. You know, na ikirudi narudi more times 2.
Appetite times 3.
Nilisema hapana. Let me just try to do it the other way. That's how I've now found a trainer, but I stayed with the nutritionist kule now Nairobi Bariatric, that lady, because alikuwa ananisaidia sana na
hiyo ni free advertising. Tutakupatia
I'm telling invoice. You uliniuliza sasa nisiseme
tutakupatia invoice.
Uliniuliza
ya kwanza I let you go, ya pili tena hapana.
Yeah, but diet truly diet, truly, and people say all the time, people say it all the time, na watu wengi hawaamini, you know, like even when you hear even a gym trainer maybe saying the same thing, people don't believe. They always think that it's something else. But at the end of the day, how we are human beings and we are animals, we have bodies. There are specific things you do. If you eat correct and you move more, for sure it'll come off, for sure. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. So umesema hapo awali kwamba sometimes we'll see very harsh comments kwa mitandao ya kijamii. Ni site gani upende kabisa, which app? Hata nimejua jibu lako before jibu.
No, I think all of them ziko na shida zake, but then what I've realized is these days it's like you have to be more harsh document yako ipande juu, you know. So it's like people have really started becoming so negative sometimes. So sometimes I see on X, sometimes I see on TikTok. Hizo zinanishangaza vipi. X na TikTok watu wananishangaza hapo.
I'm done with social media.
Not really. Sometimes maybe I can just take a break, but luckily now this time when I've decided to come back to music, kuna watu wananisaidia so that I don't have to necessarily feel that negative feeling, so that I just go back to studio and work. Don't nisipotee sana, because sometimes you can, even just that negative feeling can make you stop being productive. You know, you can't sing anymore.
Kitu gani kimesema kwa mitandao ya kijamii kakukwaza sana?
I don't know if there's one thing, but you know, sometimes when we used to have a lot of comparison between Wambui and myself, they used to compare us a lot. And we felt so bad about that, because tunapendana sana. So what is this? Like, they've decided that there's, and people are making up fights, people are making up problems, you know. But I said, now with this new time, I think also it's growth, that I'm just like, you realize, watu hawajui, they don't pay your bills, they don't need, but as much as we love our fans, there are some things that we can't take personally.
Okay.
Because people are just expressing themselves also. You have to allow them.
The public domain.
That's what comes with it. Nani sawa. It's like that. And we know it's like that. Ni mimi nimejirudisha huko.
Wewe ni mtoto ngapi kwa familia?
3.
Okay.
And I'm the baby.
Last born.
Yeah.
Maureen last born.
Oh, you're the last born also. Kwa ngapi?
Tuko 5. Yes.
And you're the baby also.
I am the baby. So kidogo tu kuhusu familia yako, ulikuzwa wapi? How was life?
Yeah, I was brought up in Langata. My parents lived in Buruburu, and then when I was born we moved, all of us. Now I'm the last one. So they said they made the house a bit bigger maybe. So we moved to Langata.
Yeah.
Till now my parents are still there. They've never moved. We were just brought up in that family. It's very loving. I'm very close to my mom, Domana. Even this song is about her. Yes, I sang it for her.
Wow.
Because she was really so supportive, even of music, of what it is that I'm trying to do. Alikuwa our manager for a bit when we were starting music. Alisema atusaidie, because we didn't know what we were doing. We were 19 years old. Hatukujua anything. So my mom came and said, acha niwasaidie kwa sababu she's an accountant. So aliona easy numbers ni kama azingiani. So she helped us a lot. So my mom is my very good friend. But yeah, it's my mom, my dad, my brother, my sister, and myself.
So 2 sisters?
No, 1 brother, 1 sister,
and then yourself.
Me.
Okay.
Yes.
So yes,
yes. So I grew up in Langata. Everyone in Langata still knows me. When we go back, bado kwa bus stop, they shout, you know, and we say hello. It's very nice. But the main thing I think about my upbringing is how my mom truly brought me up, because everything that she is, I hope to be. You know, she's really a wonderful
the role model.
Sana. The main one. Even when people say like who in the public, it's not even a public figure I look up to. It's my mom 100%. She's just so graceful and wonderful.
Your dad?
Nampenda sana. Even my dad is my very close friend, but sometimes I think maybe it's the last born and the mom, maybe. I think that might be it.
Lakini kwa mwanamke inafika umri fulani, you become closer to your mom.
Yes. I think it's because maybe you get to the age alikuwa maybe when she had you.
Yeah.
And now you're seeing each other like women.
So how old are you?
I'm in my 30s.
Where?
I am in my early to mid.
Early to mid.
Early to mid too.
Uwezi waisema. Madam ni nini? Uwezi kusema your exact age.
Know. Actually, okay. I don't know why we don't say.
Married?
Now, I don't ever speak about my personal life, truly. I don't. In fact, we never have. Even with Elani.
So you speak about your father, mother,
yes,
and that's family, but ukikuja kwa married, you don't speak about your personal life.
No, because also, you know what I realized.
Are you married? Yes or no?
At some point, what I realized at some point is that the people who we have brought into our lives, not even parents, parents, they're stuck with you for life. Then my mom is my mom. But relationships, we find that like that person has not chosen the limelight. Mbona nimweke hapo?
Okay.
So
acha tu
atulie. Wacha tu atulie.
Muoleo hujaolewa.
Haya, acha atulie pale yuko.
Okay. So okay.
There's
wacha tumwache basi. Miaka mingapi kwa ndoa?
So Majaliwa is a wonderful song about my mom.
Okay. Kuna jamaa umetembea naye. Sasa sijui kama ndio mtu yako.
Huyu Edgar, huyu wa video. Huyu. Edgar, in fact tutamweka huko asalimie watu.
Edgar anaitwa nani? Miaka mingapi kwa ndoa?
Edgar, my wonderful media.
Ili swali sio mimi nimeuliza, ni wasikilizaji, mashabiki wako wangependa tu kujua. Unajua tu mtu anauliza, maswali tu muulize tu kama kuna mtu.
Imagine today we are not going to discuss that.
But how is it being in a relationship and you're in the limelight? For real, yeah.
So Majaliwa is
it's a fair question. It's a fair question. How is it, being in a relationship na uko kwa limelight and people expect you to behave in a certain way, relationship yako musikosane, couple goals hashtag.
I think that's actually why we don't do it. That's why we don't discuss it, because there's so much pressure when you bring your person into the limelight. There's so much pressure. What are you wearing today? Where did he buy you a car? Did she go standing with who? You see, like right now, even we have talked about Edgar, who is doing our media, right?
Edgar can be anyone.
If I was working with Edgar somewhere and somebody knew that like I was in some sort of relationship, this can become gossip, and it's Edgar from the media team, So I think that's what I'm learning. I'm learning over time. It's good to keep the sacred things sacred. My people who are sacred, let them remain sacred, and let's not talk about things that are not about the music and are not about the life that I want to put out publicly, because that's where the pressure comes from. When you and in fact people say that all the time, when you put your life out in the public, then it's for the public to consume. So there are some things about my life I really just keep private and sacred.
Okay. So ukionekana in very compromising situation, picha umepigwa.
There's once actually there was a whole thread on X, and they put me with somebody, and it was my brother.
Okay.
And I realized sometimes in life people are just going to assume things about you. Nani sawa, because now how do I start fighting and say this is not my husband, this is my brother?
Na yapendi kuwekwa kwa mitandao.
My brother is very,
not your brother,
is very much
him
in the public eye also. Actually.
Him,
my brother.
You know I talking.
I talk, my dear.
Na muona ananiangalia. He's smiling. Kidogo tu niseme jina lake. Guy, Mungu amenishika mdomo.
Nani?
Wako. Anyway, so after this, ni singles umetengeneza za kutosha ama?
Yes.
Also there's enough.
For sure.
Okay.
That's the plan.
Okay.
I have no intention of
kusubiria tu na kutoa na ku release
for sure.
Okay, to your fans. Okay. Kenya kuna wasanii wengi tofauti na sasa hivi kuna muziki tofauti, mitindo tofauti. Yours is very subtle R&B, you know, relaxing music. Kuna hizi za siku hizi.
Na zinapendeza
sana. So which is your favorite?
Like right now, of course, Okelo Max is doing so well. Kwanza Taya.
I know.
It's a good song. I really enjoy all of Kodong Clan actually. Wote. If I can't name all 7 of them, but now wapenda wote kwa sababu I was explaining once, it's good when big brands wanakuja pamoja and they're working together, because before you'd never ever see such a thing. So nimefurahi sana actually to come back to a place and a time when big brands wanna collaborate hivyo, so that we can just move this industry forward.
Okay. Kuna collabo yoyote katika, is it an album?
Kunayo. I'm very excited, but siwezi sema sahi kwa sababu anafanya kazi zake sahi. And he said, at least I can say it's a he. And he said, let's speak about that when it's coming.
Okelo Max.
Let's speak about that when it's
Okelo
coming.
Max.
But I can't speak
Okelo
about
Max.
it now. Na yeye aliniuliza nisiseme. So nisema nisiseme.
Okay. Yeah. You look excited.
I am.
Yeah.
I'm very excited.
What excites you?
Music, doing this again. I'm so happy to do it again. Kwa sababu there's like a real calling that has come back. You see, I said COVID nilienda, I went back, I was wakili tena. I said let the music come back, and now it's back, and I'm very excited.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tuangalie kama kuna maswali. Nilikwambia nini? Amekwepa maswali sana Masawe, muache tu. Tunampenda and all the best to her. I hope atatutesa after her comeback.
Hey, many songs.
Okay.
On the way.
Okay. So tukimalizia, maneno yako ya mwisho ni yapi?
Let me tell you. Maureen Kunga on all, I was told I have to remember to do that. Maureen Kunga on all social media platforms. I just want to say thank you to all the fans who have supported me this far. Na muziki yaendelee. We are going.
Okay.
And Stream Majaliwa, it's available now on all platforms. It's on YouTube. You can go there on YouTube. Utaona mamangu akismile tu hapo in the music video. She's very happy to be in the music video, and I'm just happy to be back.
Okay.
Yeah.
All the best, Maureen.
Asante sana, nimeshukuru sana.
Okay.